Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Each style of buttercream has different pros and cons as well as best uses in the pastry kitchen. There are 3 types of buttercreams that are most often used: American buttercream, Swiss meringue buttercream, and Italian meringue buttercream. 25 April 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
American buttercream is the easiest and most common buttercream frosting, and the quickest to make. It's often used for piping and decorating cakes. The icing is known for its super sweet flavor and slightly gritty consistency. It's made with 3 basic ingredients: butter, confectioner's sugar and milk. 6 December 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Buttercream tastes better and has a superior mouthfeel. Like its name suggests, this kind of frosting usually has butter, milk or cream, powdered sugar, and an extract flavoring, according to Bake, Decorate, Celebrate. The icing is smooth, creamy, and doesn't dry out fast. Royal icing is less about the taste and texture. 4 January 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
American buttercream is deliciously creamy, super sweet, and incredibly fluffy, and by far the easiest buttercream to master. German buttercream might actually be my favorite. French buttercream is a gorgeously smooth, velvety, rich buttercream. Swiss buttercream is definitely one of my favorites. The 12th of December 2014.
Take our lead.
After Swiss buttercream, left, Italian buttercream, right. The full force of a hot hairdryer doesn't do either frosting any favors, but the Italian holds up better than its counterpart. The meringue in Italian buttercream is cooked to a higher temperature, which gives the frosting a sturdier structure. 17 August 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.